Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to our English online class. Today's session is going to be an interesting and a different session for you. In our previous sessions, we have been learning grammar. I hope it would be monotonous for you to learn grammar all the day. So, I have shifted to vocabulary exercise for your convenience. I hope it would be a better session for you. We are going to discuss about word formation, that is blending and clipping in this session, which is a very easy topic as you would have learnt in your 11th standard. So we are going to revise what is blending, what is clipping, what is unclipped words. So all these things we are going to revise in this session. So what is blending, what is clipping, what is unclipped words is the topic of today. Now let's get started with the topic blending words. What do you mean by blending? Blending is nothing but a combination of two or more words which gives a different word, and that different word which has a different meaning. So to be very simple, blending is a combination of two or more words to give a different word and a different meaning. So blending is nothing but a fusion of two words to give a new word, that new word which gives a different meaning. So blending is a combination of two or more words. Example, brunch. It's a combination of breakfast plus lunch. Smog, smoke and fog combined together, smog is formed. Motel and hotel, which forms a motel. News and broadcast, newscast. Permanent press, perma press. So blending is otherwise called as fusion, which is also called as portmanteau words. So make it very clear. Blending is otherwise called as fusion, which is otherwise called as portmanteau words. So blending is nothing but fusion of two or more words to give a new word, that new word which gives a different meaning. Let us see some of the example. Biopic, which is the combination of biography and picture. Telegenic, which is a combination of television and photogenic. So biopic, biography plus picture, telegenic, television plus photogenic. Some other words we shall discuss. Brunch, breakfast plus lunch, camcorder, camera and recorder. High tech, high and technology. Medicare, medical and care. Smog, smoke and fog. So two words which combines to form a new word, that new word which gives a different meaning. Next we shall discuss some of the words. You may notice some words may be repeated. No matter, we'll proceed. First one is bit. It's a combination of binary and digit. Next is smog, smoke and fog. Smirk. It's a combination of smoke and murk. What is murk is nothing but a misty, a darkness area is called as murk. Channel is a combination of channel and tunnel. Then smoke plus haze is equal to smaze. Motel is a combination of motor and hotel. Brunch, breakfast plus lunch. Modem, modulator and demodulator. Telecast, television and broadcast. Infotainment, information plus entertainment. Smash, smack and mash. Telex, teleprinter and exchange. Transistor, transfer plus resistor. Television plus marathon, telethon. So these are the words which you have to memorize. So binary plus digit, bit, smoke plus fog, smoke, smoke plus smirk, smirk, channel and tunnel, channel, smoke and haze, maze, motor, hotel, motel, breakfast, lunch, brunch. Next, newscast. Already we know it's a combination of news and broadcast. Brunch, it's a repeated word. Breakfast and lunch. Smoke, which is a combination of smoke and fog. Talkathon, talk plus marathon. It's a new word you have to learn. Talkathon. Slimnastics, slim plus gymnastics, which is equal to slimnastics. Videophone, video plus telephone. So what are the new words? Talkathon, talk plus marathon. Slimnastics, slim plus gymnastics. Videophone, video and telephone. Next, coming to science fiction. Science plus fiction. Hi-fi, high and fidelity. Workaholic, work and alcoholic. Stagflation, stagnation and inflation. Unicorn, united and communication. Sitcom, situation plus comedy. It's a repeated public question. Motel, motor and hotel. Dock, dove plus hawk. So these are some of the familiar words. Now coming to certain words which are familiar. Emoticon, which is a combination of emote plus icon. Next, globish, global and English. Channel, we have discussed already, channel and tunnel. Coder, coder and decoder. Chillax, chill and relax. Faction, fact and fiction. Mimsy, flimsy and miserable. Webinar, web and seminar. Pixel, picture and element. Spork is a combination of spoon and fork. So these are the few words which are repeated public questions. Webinar, pixel, mimsy, emoticon. So these are the repeated public questions. So all these things you have to memorize. Emoticon, globish, channel, coder, chillax, faction, mimsy, webinar, pixel and spork. So what is mimsy, flimsy and miserable? What is chillax, chill and relax? Next, coming to malware, malicious and software. Adflation, advertisement and inflation. Advertorial, advertisement and editorial. Phablet, phone and tablet. Smash, smack and mash. Vlog, video and blog. Costume plus play is equal to cosplay. Biopic, biographical plus picture. Prizzy, prim and sissy. Sitcom, situation and comedy. Some of the words would have been repeated, so no matter, you learn the new words. So what are the words? Malware, malicious and software. Adflation, advertisement and inflation. Advertorial, advertisement and editorial. Phablet, phone and tablet. Then smash, smack and mash. Vlog, video plus blog. Cosplay, costume and play. Now coming to clipped words. So far we have discussed blended words. What do you mean by blended words? It's nothing but a combination of two or more words to form a different word which gives a different meaning. Here, clipped word is different from blended words. Here, take for example a word, the initial portion, if it is taken off, or the middle portion or the later portion, the meaning of the word doesn't changes. Say the example, representative. What is a clipped form? Rep, teenager, teen. Advertisement, ad, raccoon, coon. So this is the clipped words. Next, hamburger. What is a clipped word? Burger, motorbike, bike, discotheque, disco. So the clipping may occur initially, middle or the latter portion. So clipped words, they are nothing but the part of the word which is taken off. It may be initial, later or middle. What are the different types of clipping? Back clipping, fore clipping, middle clipping and complex clipping. So what are the different types of clipping? Back clipping, fore clipping, middle clipping and complex clipping. Let us see some of the examples of fore clipping. What is for clipping? See the example, parachute. What is a clipped word? Shoot. So the initial portion is taken off. So that is called for clipping. When the initial portion is taken off, then it is called as for clipping. Alligator, gator, telephone, phone, raccoon, coon, robot, boat, cockroach, roach, university, versity, internet, net, hamburger, burger, tech, detective. So these are the examples for clipping. So what is for clipping? Initial portion is taken off. Coming to back clipping. So from the name you can easily understand that the back portion, that is the later portion which is taken off. Advertisement, ad, cablegram, cable, doctor, doc, examination, exam, facsimile, fax, gasoline, gas, gymnastics, gym, memorandum, memo, public house, pub, popular music, pop. These are the examples of back clipping. Next, we shall discuss the other forms of clipping. Next, coming to the middle clipping. What do you mean by middle clipping? So the middle portion is taken off. Influenza, flu, refrigerator, fridge, detective, tech. Complex clipping. So here the clipping may occur in initial part or the later part. Optical art, opt art. Navigation plus certificate, navisert. Organization plus man or man. So complex clipping, simply you should know what is complex clipping. No need to be much focused on complex clipping. So what are the three types of clipping? Front, middle clipping, back clipping. Let us see some of the examples of clipped words. Newscast, news, curiosity, curio, demarcate, mark, tram car, tram, fanatic, fan, taxi cab, taxi, news flash, flash, pathway, path, ampere, amp, suitcase, case, diskette, disk, storehouse, store, fountain pen, pen, rehabilitate, rehab, hitchhike, hitch. So these are the few words which clipping has been done. So what is clipping? Clipping is nothing but taking a portion of the word which may be either front portion, middle portion or the back portion. Coming to few more examples. Facsimile, fax, mathematics, math, dormitory, dorm, fanatic, fan, influenza, flu, telephone, phone, gymnasium, gym, and the names which also be clipped. Albert, AL, Edward, ED, Susan, Sue. So clipping is also done in the names of the persons. So these are the examples. Coming to a few more examples. Gymnasium, gym, dormitory, dorm, handkerchief, hanky, gasoline, gas, kilogram, kilo, influenza, flu, business, biz, parachute, shoot, refrigerator, fridge, taxi cab, taxi or cab. So most of the words are repeated. So you learn whatever is new for you. Next, coming to some of the clipping words. So far we have discussed many words in a different types of clipping. Front clipping, back clipping and fore clipping. So kindly remember what is clipping. Clipping is nothing but taking a portion of the word which may be initial, middle or back. Advertisement, ad, expo, exposition, phone, telephone, pro, professional, memorandum, memo, detective, tech, helicopter, heli or copter, comfortable, comfy. So these are the few words. What are the words? Advertisement, ad, exposition, expo, telephone, phone, professional, pro, memorandum, memo, detective, tech, helicopter, heli or copter. Both are correct. Comfortable, comfy. So we have discussed what is blending, what is clipping. So make it very clear. Blending is a combination of two words which gives a different word, and that different word which gives a different meaning. whereas clipping, it is a different from blending. Let us discuss some of the examples of blended words. Agribusiness, it's a combination of agriculture and business. Butility, beauty and utility. Brunch, breakfast and lunch. Camcorder, camera and recorder. Email, electronic and mail. Fantabulous, fantastic and fabulous. Infomercial, information and commercial. Landromat, laundry and automat. Medicline, medical and climb. Modem, modulator and demodulator is an important public question. Motor and bike, which becomes mobike. Moped, motor and pedal cycle. Motel, motorway and hotel. Skylab, sky and laboratory. Smog, smoke plus fog. Telegenic, television and photogenic. Transfer and resistor becomes transistor. Volcanic and ash-wash, wireless fidelity, Wi-Fi. Next, coming to unclipped form. What is an unclipped form? That is unclipped form, which means to expand the clipped form to its original form. That is, the clipped word will be given. You have to expand and write teen, teenager, bro, brother, grad, graduate, lab, laboratory, jet, jet aircraft, exam, examination, dorm, dormitory, varsity, university, tie, necktie, pant, pantaloons. So what is a clipped word? That is unclipped word, which means to expand the clipped word to its original form. So a word will be given, you have to expand to its original form, that is called as unclipped word. So let us discuss some more example. Facsimile, what is a clipped word? Fax. Influenza, flu. Refrigerator, fridge. Gymnasium, gym. Hippopotamus, hippo. Laboratory, lab. Lubricate, lube. Luncheon, lunch. Microphone, mic. Market, mart. Memo, memorandum. Perquisite, perk. Telephone, phone. Photograph, photo. Airplane, plane. Professional, pro. Professor, prof. Stereophonic, stereo. Caravan, van. So these are some of the examples of clipped words. So clipping, which can be done either fore clipping, middle clipping and back clipping. So you just know what is fore clipping, back clipping and middle clipping. Simply you have to write the clipped or unclipped forms. Next, coming to some of the words. Hamburger, what is a clipped word? Burger. Cabriolet, cab. Capsule, caps. Celebrities, celebs. Parachute, shoot. Document, doc. Examination, exam. Gasoline, gas. Gentleman, gents. Information, info. Introduction, intro. Mathematics, maths. Mayonnaise, mayo. Reference, ref. Representative, rep. Rhinoceros, rhino. Saxophone, sax. Spectacles, specs. Statistics, stats. Temperature, temp. Umpire, ump. Omnibus, bus. Cafeteria, cafe. Champion, champ. Alchemist, chemist. Helicopter, copter. Debutant, debut. Fanatic, fan. So these 28 questions are considered to be a very important questions from public point of view. So kindly learn all these clipped and unclipped forms. Now coming to assignment session. So first one is blending words, travel and catalog, emote and icon, transfer plus resistor, motor plus pedal cycle, spoon plus fork, high plus technology, international plus police, lecture plus demonstration, breakfast plus lunch, electro plus execute. So you have to write the blended form for all these words. So kindly learn from the exercises which I have given in this session. So, take some initiative, learn and write. Next assignment for you is clipping words. So, what is blending? Combination of two words to form a different meaning. Next, you have to learn clipping. What is clipping? Clipping is nothing but removal of a word, either fore clipping, back clipping or middle clipping. So clipped words: cafeteria, earthquake, demonstration, pantaloon, graduate, influenza, cabriolet, luncheon, statistics, omnibus. So if you kindly listen to the session, you can answer all the questions easily. So I have not given a different word. All the words are very familiar to you. Kindly answer the blended and clipped words. Don't ever copy. Please learn these vocabulary items. So be familiar with blending and clipped words. Thank you, dear students.